According to the recent statistics by Global Responsibility Group, more than 35,000 people have been killed in Nigeria since 2009, when Boko Haram launched its insurgency. Nigerian government and the security agencies have made several efforts in combating banditry and insurgency in the last few years, but it's becoming more increasing. Dr Olusola Ayoola is an Ibadan-based robotic engineer, a first-class graduate of electrical electronics engineering from the University of Ibadan, who recently developed carbon emission tracker drone for area surveillance in detecting hideouts of criminals within caves and forest areas.
Switch off the lights.
You know I have no choice.
Switch on the lights.
Yes, Your Excellency.
Go forward. Go faster. Go faster. Stop. Thank you.
Dr. Ayoola, who is the founder of Robotic and Artificial Intelligence Nigeria, RAIN, in an interview with BCOS News stated that criminal elements in caves and forested areas cannot escape the innovative capabilities of drone surveillance offered by the carbon emission tracker drone.
The level of intelligence gathering that people in Nigeria, the government in Nigeria may have been utilizing is either imported technology or some sort of human intelligence, which to some extent will be limited. Human intelligence will be limited to how much villagers are willing to talk, and secondly, imported technology will be limited to how much of access you have to these technologies. So what the government has been able to achieve has been limited in that regard. But then if we are able to build locally made technological systems, intelligence gathering systems, that's when we can be able to execute as much as we want. So the solution we are bringing on board may not be the only of its kind globally, but at least it's homegrown, it's ingenious, it's adaptable to our own environment, our own problems.
Dr. Ayoola believes there is a need for collaboration in the fight against banditry, kidnapping and insurgency, and called for assistance from the federal government to enable its organization to expand the research and develop initiatives.
There are many levels to implementing all of these solutions. First of all, the research must be robust enough to show that it is fit for military purposes. So with recent developments, we are able to network with research organizations that have the capacity, to test military standards, to actually get it up to standard. When it's up to that standard, then there can now be a road into the actual utilization by the federal government. So it is the kind of support, research support, that would help get this to military standard that we are open to collaborations on. And so far there have been communications, but it hasn't been, nothing has been concrete yet. But we believe that with people's interest, very high, we believe that very soon these projects will become a national project and will be utilized on a national scale. Before
now, Dr. Olusola Ayoola had worked with a robotics firm to address some of the UK's nuclear decommissioning challenges before returning to Nigeria. Lekan Sobowale, BCOS News.